Step into English. Initial sound. Number 15. Odd. Odd. Octopus. Octagon. Ostrich. Otter. Optometrist. Is 3 an odd number? Is 3 an odd number? There is an octopus in the aquarium. There is an octopus in the aquarium. An octagon has 8 sides. An octagon has 8 sides. The ostrich runs fast for a short distance. The ostrich runs fast for a short distance. Have you ever seen an otter? Have you ever seen an otter? An optometrist will examine your eyes. An optometrist will examine your eyes. Is 3 an odd number? There is an octopus in the aquarium. An octagon has 8 sides. The ostrich runs fast for a short distance. Have you ever seen an otter? An optometrist will examine your eyes. How many syllables for each word? Odd. Odd. Octopus. Octopus. Oct-a-gon. Octagon. Ostrich. Ostrich. Otter. Otter. Optometrist. Optometrist. Step into English. Initial sound. Number 15.